Entering the month of September, a new update for Shopee Fees Calculator. First, the template will now be renamed from Shopee Fees Calculator to 100 Drawers Shopee Calculator. It is doing more than just calculating fees now, so it makes sense to have a more generic name. Order ID list for income report can now be sorted using the toggle in the settings page. Previously, it was only for sorting the order report. Sales report now has a list of days. It summarizes sales amount for every day of a specific month. As you may have already known, most of the white cells in my template are editable. You can change the year of month using the drop-down list. If you are wondering where the settings previously on the left were, I have moved them to the helper columns on the right. You may change the report type over here. Then, I have a new All Orders module. In my last video, I showed how to create this dynamic filtering form and list. If you haven't already, check out the video for a demonstration of how to use the form. This module has some slight differences than the one in the dynamic filtering video, mainly because this template does not have any invoice number in the sales database. The biggest update is that I have made an advanced version of the Shopee Calculator. It is macro-enabled to smart import reports. In the Settings and Data page, there's a Get Report button. Click on it and it will prompt which report file to import. Select the file you have downloaded from the Shopee Seller Center. It will do its job to identify whether it is an order report or an income report. Then copy all the data accordingly. Copying order report will append with the existing report. In short, it only copies over any new order. In this way, you can compile the order report fairly easily, as each download of the order report is only limited to 1 month's duration. Copying income report will override the entire income report tab, as we are able to download the income report of any length of report duration. The advanced version is available at my Ko-fi page for only $3. Check out the link in the video description if you are interested. One important thing to remind you: when you download and compile these order reports, you are collecting the personal information of your customer. This is subject to Data Protection Act. Your organization might need to have a privacy policy in action, and everyone should well understand what is it all about. Try not to keep the data longer than you need, and do whatever it takes to secure the data you compile. This is why Shopee is trying to censor the customer information as much as possible, to get rid of any possible personal information leakage issue. I always recommend that fellow sellers don't solely rely on Shopee Seller Center for data analysis and data verification, such as calculating your profit, identifying changes in shipping fee during order process, and more. It is better to keep a record of your sales data, be it in a third-party software or manually using spreadsheets. So I hope my template can help you to keep track of your sales data and assist you in managing your e-commerce business. If this template helped you in one way or another, leave a comment and let me know. Your reviews and suggestions will help me improve this template. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I share tips in spreadsheet making and make spreadsheet templates for various use cases. Support me using Shopee affiliate link in the video description below. I'll see you later. Bye.